Hi, my name is Nick Dogle. I'm the owner and founder of North State Law. I wanted to take a couple minutes out of your time today and speak with you about what's called telemedicine. Telemedicine is a new way for doctors to communicate with patients. This has been approved by the North Carolina Medical Board. Doctors are now allowed to communicate via teleconference with patients. This is a great way for doctors to serve those in rural areas or those that frankly don't have a lot of time during the day. This cuts down on healthcare costs for physicians, potentially can cut down on overhead for their business, and allows those in rural areas to get medical care that they normally would not otherwise have access to. So the North Carolina Board of Medicine has done a great job in helping those in those rural areas have access to great medical care, which we do have in the state. Are there potential pitfalls for telemedicine? Yes, but there are policies and procedures that a physician can implement in their practice and properly train their staff on to make sure that they are completely HIPAA compliant. One main thing that physicians should consider is the person on the other end of the video conference, the either patient or potential patient, has to have their identity confirmed by administrative staff. Failure to do so could potentially result in a HIPAA violation if, for example, somebody, we'll call him John Doe, is a patient of the doctor, but the doctor actually ends up speaking with somebody completely different and releases some of John Doe's information to that third party. That would be an example of a HIPAA violation. That's assuming that the third party did not have, or the doctor did not have permission to release that information to that third party. Now, the only other potential issue that a doctor may have is once you get further away from an individual, you start to lose out on some potential nonverbal cues that the individual may have, or you otherwise might miss out on some potential hues of the skin that might be a dead giveaway for a certain diagnosis. But frankly, as long as the physician has proper audio and video equipment running both ways, specifically for the patient, they should be okay and not have an issue. So thank you for taking the time out today. That's all we have for telemedicine. We'll be bringing you more information on different areas of professional licensing in the future. Feel free to click the link on the bottom of the screen, and that'll take you to another site where you can gather more information. Have a great day. Bye-bye.